This is a little tutorial just to show you how to connect your phone to your SHEHDS DMX512, and it should work on the other models as well, fingers crossed. So I've noticed there's quite a few of you out there that are struggling to figure out how to connect your phone to your SHEHDS. Now, this is the SHEHDS DMX512, and it should work on some of the other models as well, but I did notice that people are struggling to figure out how to get their heads around how do I connect it. So I thought I'd do a little tutorial on how to connect it, and it's quite easy, and you'll be a little bit puzzled. So first of all, you need to download some software. Now I've downloaded the LED lamp, this baby here. Yeah, I can open it. And all you got to do is plus, but nothing's going to come up because I haven't got it turned on for start. So turned it on. And also, let's go back a bit. Let's go back to the main menu. Right, this is the main menu, so it's important you understand this bit. So you go to the main menu and you go to shows. So I'm just going to come off of that for a second. Go back to shows, yes. Don't worry about this. You need to go to shows. Click enter. Now you need to scroll down until you see Wi-Fi mode. Don't worry about any other screen, just this one screen. Click enter and it comes up Wi-Fi and it tells you the model. Now this is the LED734. Now you need to go into your Wi-Fi on your phone. And I will blank this out, sorry about that. Click on refresh if needed. Click on refresh, it's refreshing, and hopefully you should get a number come up. Mine has LED734. Click on LED734. Click connect. Now it might say there's no Wi-Fi connection, and I'm going to decline because I don't want to lose connection. So now my phone is connected to this. So go back, get your app open, hit the plus button, and we want stage because it's stage lighting, and we want LED light. And connection successful. Now to prove the point, just going to turn it up a little bit, go to green, and there you go. Yeah, and this has modes on it as well, so you can do various different things, whatever you want to do. And that was it. I just wanted to do a little tiny video just to show you how to connect, and I know there's quite a few people out there thinking, how do I figure it out? Well, now you know. So like I said earlier, if you found this video helpful, informative in any way, consider subscribing, clicking on the bell to get notified, and don't forget to give me the thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching.